Hello my wasabis, this is Jirbie from Couchwasabi. In today's video, I will share with you how to create your own makeup wipes. If this is something that you would want to see, please keep watching. So for today's DIY activity, we will need 4-ounce glass jar, your sweet almond oil, some Thayer's witch hazel. You also have to have your cotton rounds. And for today's oils, we will be needing your lavender and your frankincense. Okay, so first you will get your glass container and stuff it with your cotton rounds. Stuff it halfway. Basta wag sobrang puno. And then in a separate bowl, with the metal utensil, you mix in all the liquid ingredients. So first, put in 5 drops of each lavender and frankincense. Next, add in your 1/4 cup of witch hazel. Next, you can add in 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And 2 teaspoons of liquid castile soap. Today I'm using Casa de Lorenzo's cleansing liquid castile soap. So 2 teaspoons of that. And finally, add 2 tablespoons of your distilled water. Okay, once all that is in your bowl, give it a little stir. So pour it in your 4-ounce jar with the bottle. Make sure the solution goes in down the jar before you add more cotton. Then fill it with the rest of the liquid. Try to press it down with your spoon as you go along, just so the cotton will properly soak in the liquid mixture. If you think the liquid mixture is too much, you can just remove the excess liquid. And there you go. Now you have your own DIY makeup removing wipes. From now on, you don't have to buy this anymore because you have your own DIY makeup removing wipes. The lavender oil in this helps soothe your skin, and it's very calming and aids skin regeneration. And the frankincense is great for sunspots and other blemishes. But before I end this video, I would like to announce my giveaway. So for the entire month of March, I will be giving away 3 5 ml Young Living lemon essential oils. So the rules are simple. You just have to share all my essential oils or EO hack videos in all 3 social media. So you can share it on Instagram, you can share it on Facebook, and you can share it on Twitter. And use the hashtag that I will be putting here. So I will pick one winner on each social media by the end of the month. The more you share my EO hack videos, the more entries you will get. I will list in the info box below the complete mechanics of this giveaway, and this contest is open for everyone living in the Philippines. By the way, don't forget to come to my workshop this April at Yoga Plus themed Aroma Yoga. So I will also put down below the registration link, and the early bird date is until March 18. So don't forget to sign up today for my April workshop, and you get to win this full-size pure Moroccan argan oil from Organic Associates. The first 25 registrants will get this in their loot bag. Anyway guys, I guess that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to share this on your Facebook wall to enter my giveaway. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!